Hello guys, welcome to our channel. If you want to earn from Etsy by selling your products, then this video is for you. A verified bank account is crucial for this type of online selling platform. This will be work for you as the payment gateway, and through this bank account you will get the payment from the customer. So today we are going to show you how you can verify your bank account on Etsy. So the first thing is log into your Etsy account and click on the shop manager at the top right corner. Now if you are a new user in Etsy, then you will go through these 6 steps to verify your account and start selling on Etsy. And remember the verification process the bank verification process will be available when you are registering for a new account. That's mean a new seller account, and you will get your bank verified at the beginning of creating your account on Etsy. Now first you have to choose your country. Select your country from here. Then you have to choose what type of seller you. If you are individual, then click on individual, and if you have a business or have a team, then click on business. Now they will ask some personal information about yourself, like country residence, first name, last name, your date of birth, then taxpayer address. Enter your address from where you can pay your taxes. Scroll a little down and you will find your bank information. From here you can verify your bank account. Just click on this connect to Plaid. Connect your bank by Plaid. The Plaid platform will verify your bank for Etsy. As you can see here, with Plaid's secure platform you can instantly connect your bank account or opt for manual verification. That's mean from this platform you can verify your bank accounts for this type of platform like Etsy and other selling platform, online selling platform. Plaid will verify your bank account for this platform. You just need to log in, or if you don't have any account on Plaid, you just need to sign up on Plaid. Here you just need to follow the on-screen instruction to sign up on Plaid. If your bank allows international transactions, then you can find your bank listed in Plaid. Just go to Plaid and search for your bank, and you will find your bank is listed or available in Plaid app. That's how, by following the on-screen instruction, you can verify your bank and also your bank account. Then you can add the verified bank account to your Etsy account. There you have it. Follow the instruction that have mentioned in this video and follow the on-screen instruction properly to add a verified bank account to your Etsy account. Hope you like this video. Give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Click on the bell icon and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.